Bonjour, je m'appelle Naresh, je vais vous apprendre le français aujourd'hui, les mois de l'année, the month of the year in the French language. Today you will learn. So, let's get started. Les mois de l'année, the month of the year in the French language. I'll speak continuously in the French language, so be with me. So first is janvier, janvier, février, février, mars, mars, avril, avril, mai, mai, juin, juin, juillet, juillet, août, août, septembre, septembre, octobre, octobre, November, December. So friends, I will repeat for you. You just repeat and practice with me. Alright? This side is English and this side is French. So I start. First is January in English, January, and in French we call janvier, janvier. February, février, in French, février. March, March, and in the French, Mars, Mars. April, April, Avril, Avril. Next is Mai, and in French, Mai, Mai. June, Juin, Juin. July, July. In French, Juillet, Juillet. August in English, August, and in the French we say août, août. In next is September in English, September, September, September. October, October, October. In English, November, November, November. Next is December in English, December, and in the French, December. Little bit difference, almost similar. So friends, I hope you understand and you are learning and you are practicing. So friends, thank you for watching our video, and keep learning French, English, Dutch, German on Success Land. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you again.